Hello dear children, today we are going to write the phonic sounds in the slate. Children, already we have learnt add to its. Okay children, let us revise that. Say with me. A, ib, ik, ig, ye, if, ig, ha, e, ij, ik, il, im, ing, o, ip, qua, s, it, a, iv, x. Good children, you said very well. Children, now we are going to write after x. Okay children, turn on your slate. Now we have to draw the boxes. See, this is first box and second box. Okay children, here I am drawing the line. Now tell me after x. Yes, good. E. Tell me children, sound of Y is E. See here, upper curve should touch the hanging line, then standing line should come down, then curve goes up. This is E. Say children, upper curve should touch the hanging line, then standing line comes down, then curve goes up. E. Good children, write with me again. Upper curve should touch the hanging line, then standing line comes down and curve goes up. This is E. Next comes is. Sound of Z is. See here children, sleeping line in the middle, then right slanting should touch the hanging line and then sleeping line on the hanging line. Children, this is. Write with me again. Sleeping line in the middle, then right slanting towards down, then sleeping line on the hanging line. This is. Write with me again. Sleeping line in the middle, right slanting towards down, then sleeping line on the hanging line. Is. Very good children. So today we have completed add to is. Okay children, let us practice that. Good. Children, now we are going to practice from add to is. Okay children, turn on your slate. First we have to draw the columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth column, this is 7 and 8th column. Okay children, now I am drawing the rows. First row, second row, third row, this is fourth one, fifth row, sixth row, 7, 8 and this is 9th row. Okay children, let us start right. Good. Tell me the first sound. A. A. Good children. See here. This is A. A. Write with me children. A. Next comes Ib. Ib. Say loudly and write Ib. Then Ik. Ik. Next comes Ig. Ig. Ye. Ye. Next comes If. 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 Then Ig. Ig. Next comes Ha. Ha. Children, now leave this line, write in the next line. Okay children? Next comes E. E. Then Ij. Ij. Ik. Open your mouth and say Ik. Ik follows Il. Il. Next comes Im. 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 Then Ying. Ying. Next comes O. O. Open your mouth. O. Good children. The next sound is Ip. Ip. Good. You have written very neatly. Children, now here we have no space. Write in the next box. Quack. Quack. See here. This is quack. Next comes Ir. 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 The next sound is follows Ik. Ik. This is Ik. Next comes A. 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 Then Iv. Iv. See here, this is Iv. Iv. The next sound is Iv. Iv. Next comes X. 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 Next sound is E. E. Children, leave this line, write in the next line. E. See here. Next comes E. E. Upper curve should touch the ending line. Then standing line comes down and then curve goes up. This is E. E. The next sound is is. Is. Sleeping line in the middle, right slanting should touch the ending line, then sleeping line on the line. This is. Is. Good children, you have written very neatly. Children, today we have completed add to is. Okay children, you have to practice add to is 3 times in the slate. Take photos and send it to my WhatsApp number with your name, class and section. Okay children, see you in the next class. Thank you.